The LG V20 Lucifer, and today I'm doing the video on the iPhone 11 Pro for Virgin Mobile. So the iPhone 11 Pro is currently out of stock right now, so it sucks. All storage options are out of stock here. So yeah, it's available on 3 storage options. For phones you have gold, green, silver, and space right there. Currently all out of stock. So yeah, so this 64 gigabyte iPhone 11 Pro is $899.99, $1049.99 for the 256 gig, $1249.99 for 512 gigabyte iPhone 11 Pro. So on the front of the iPhone 11 Pro downside, not saying AirPods indicate that communication camera. The power button on the other side is on the left side, so the sound switcher. You have a triple camera system in the back here. You have an ultra wide lens, wide angle lens, and a telephoto lens in the back. And there's the side. There it is on the side. There's the back of the Apple logo. It's kind of hard to see in this picture, but it's there. So it says I get to know force limit 1 frame per order. So you keep that in mind. Promotional pricing available only for select firms. Directly from budgetmobileusage.com. Limited time only. While supplies last. Alright, so on that this is how it works. Of course, y'all, that's how it works. Order your friend today. Okay, when they arrive, okay, fine, everybody along. Keep a number over the number, so it's self-explanatory there. See amazing videos and photos with the ultra wide and telephoto cameras. Capture your best level photos with night mode. That's HDR movies and shows on the silver and XDR display. The brightest iPhone display yet. Experience unprecedented performance with Edge 18 Bionic for gaming, augmented reality, and photography, and get all day battery life and a new level of water resistance. All in the first iPhone powerful enough to be called Pro. Specs. The iPhone 11 Pro weighs 6.63 ounces, 25 hours of talk time, A13 Bionic with 3rd generation network engine, iOS 13 of course, 5.8-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, rated records on a 5.67 inch height, 2.81 inches width, 0.32 inches depth, Bluetooth 5.0. You have a built-in battery in there, yellow as red. Key features of the iPhone 11 Pro: 5.8-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, water resistance up to 4 minutes for 30 minutes, IP68 rating for that. Triple camera system with 12 megapixel ultra wide and telephoto cameras, night mode, portrait mode, and 4K videos up to 60 frames per second. Also, you have a 12 megapixel creeped out front camera with portrait mode, 4K video, and so on. SSD for secure identification from Apple Pay. Fast charge with 18-watt adapter included. So that is included. The fast charger is included. What's in the box is a standard iPhone stuff, iPhone 11 Pro with iOS 13 AirPods with lightning connected USB-C to lightning cable, 18-watt USB-C power adapter in your box and stuff like that. You guys need help with your iPhone 11 Pro, original that you can flat. Just want to know everything there is to know about this one. When everything from setting up your email to managing all your gambling notifications. You guys want friendly insurance, whatever how many y'all guys get. Whether you're drop friend or just want peace of mind. You can protect your new friend from damage, loss, or theft for just $7 a month pre-love and certified pre-love plans are not eligible for friend insurance. So keep that in mind. You have a 100% minimum money back guaranteed, of course. We're sure you'll love your iPhone, but just in case, feel free to send it back our way. You within 7 days of purchasing. So there you guys have an iPhone 11 Pro. It's now here. Everybody's mobile is currently out of stock right now. All storage apples are out of stock. All codes are out of stock. Hopefully the whole will be back in stock soon. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are listening a lot, please rate and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.